Nearly a year after their breakup, the conversation around Minnie Dlamini and Dr. Brian Monaisa isn't just about lost love, it's about timing, pressure, and public relationship in the spotlight. While many fans once believed the two were headed for marriage after their February 2025 hard launch, luxury trips, and grand gestures, others now argue the romance may have moved too fast and carried too much baggage from the start. The drama involving Monaisa's baby mama, Neymar Alois, who initially accused Minnie before apologizing, only added fuel to the fire. By April 2025, the relationship was over, with Monaisa denying cheating rumors and calling the split purely personal. Since then, Minnie has leaned into an anti-bride era, making it clear she's choosing herself over societal expectations. Instead of asking what went wrong, many are now asking a bigger question. Can high-profile relationships truly survive when the world is watching every move? Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.